Every physical force alters an object's motion, but how do multiple unseen forces combine to dictate exactly where it goes? We usually focus entirely on forward propulsion, completely ignoring the invisible powers dragging things back. Take an advanced hovercraft, powering up to accelerate across a flat surface. First, there's a constant downward pull anchoring it to the earth. That's gravity. To counteract that, the hovercraft exerts an opposing downward pressure, creating enough lift to float. But just floating doesn't move it. When the engine pushes the craft forward, a hidden resistance immediately grabs it in the exact opposite direction. That resistance is friction. From here, predicting the craft's actual movement is just a simple math problem. Its total motion is determined purely by which of these opposing force arrows has the greater strength. If the mechanical forward push is longer and stronger than the backward friction, the vehicle accelerates exactly in the direction of the winning arrow. So what does this mean for that high-tech hovercraft we started with? It smoothly accelerates across the concrete, simply because its forward mechanical push successfully overpowered the backward drag of friction.